Hey, welcome everybody. We have made it across the road to our third destination in New Mexico. I'll show you where we're at in just a second here. It's getting a little dark. That's an Alliance Valor. Well, look at that. Hang on. Okay, so here we are. And I can't believe I just saw this, but there's another Alliance Valor right there. So we're gonna have to go find those people and see how they like theirs. But anyway, we are at Wolf RV Park on Maricopa Road in Deming, right outside of Deming, New Mexico. We were over there last night at the Saddle Hawk Ranch. It's a 2-axle. It's not a 40V13. It's probably like a 43 foot. Anyway, there's all those tractor trailers there. That is I-10. And this is a cactus. It's about to bloom. And there's a bird. There's a bird in the bird nest. Yeah. Somebody's been feeding some critters, a bunch of orange peels there. Anyway. All right, guys, we have spotted the owl. Oh yeah, I see him moving around there. Is that's a great horned owl? Or is that what it is?
Yep. You can go.
Oh, I can see the horns. Oh, his ears.
It's really just tufts.
Yeah.
It's not even his ears.
It's just.
Tufts of hair.
Oh wow.
That's rising away. Yeah, so you
He-
how hard it is to find them.
It just looks like the tree.
It does. It looks like I said, if you look up and you see a clump, you're like, oh.
There he is. I got him.